all that other BS is still in works. I have not fixed the seat yet. I haven't figured it out yet. When I do, I will. And so what happened, hang on. Okay, now that Brownell, nobody on the phone, is done making my phone ring, I'll get back to this. Now, looking at this, the straps go around and go through one hole. When I did that, it didn't fit. So I'm assuming that these are made for a much larger bar than I have. I don't know if the JKs are bigger. They must be. So what I did, I finally got one on. What I did, I can get you in frame here, is I went through the buckles like a motorcycle helmet, back around, all the way around the bar, and then I tucked the tail back through the buckle. It's buried now, but back through the open end of the buckle. It seems like they're seems pretty sturdy. So hopefully that solves my problem. And I also placed it between, here's the holes for the soft top door surrounds. I put it pretty much in the middle so that if you're in the driver's seat, it's not gonna hit you in the face or side of the head or whatever, because my head's gonna be back there. So there's that. I'm gonna do the other side. Hopefully they work out good. And hopefully I can get these seats figured out, because that one is still stuck. This one has magically healed itself, and I do not know what the hell happened, why it broke. And no, I still can't find that stupid bolt that fell in here somewhere. But at least I'm ending on a high note. This day did not start off well at all. But I got something accomplished. As small and trivial as it is, you get one little thing accomplished and you feel better about yourself. So that's it for now. Again, thank you for the donation, whoever paid for that. That does not want their name mentioned. And I will continue on. I think one of my next projects, for this anyway, will be wiring in the dash camera in a little more permanent manner, because right now I just have the wire hanging across the visor and down the other side. I did get a USB outlet that I'm going to wire in and hopefully feed that off that instead of plugging into the cigarette lighter. And yeah, I'm still pissed. I don't know who did that or when. I'm pretty sure I didn't buy it like that. If anybody has a fix for that, let me know. Other than, I don't know, fill it in with a piece of wood, steel plate over the top, or just replace the whole, replace the whole console all the way to the front. Unbelievable. All to get to my secret stash. It's in there anyway. Yep. Quite a prize down there. Worth wrecking my stuff over? I don't think so. Oh well. Onward and upward, I guess.